Good morning, everyone. I've had a lot of people asking me how to register a domain name, so I thought I'd do a little video of how to do it with GoDaddy. You just go to www.godaddy.com and this page should come up. I'm logged in, so it says Hi Linda. And when you get to the page, you'll see an area right here that says Find a Domain. Or down here, start your domain search, and you would type in, say, my domain name. Let's see, we'll try your boot lady. .com and go. And you'll see it says, sorry, your bootlady.com is already taken. You don't want to go to buy service. That's very expensive when you try to buy a service. Now, you'll see it'll give you some suggestions here that are available, .org, .net, .co, .info, or putting dashes in there. You usually don't want to do a domain name with dashes. So since it's already taken, we would try something else. So you can just take it out of here. Or go back, let's see. Usually there's a place to go back or continue to okay, just click on domain names again and try again. Let's try something else like boots are fun and see if anybody's used that. Click go. Boots Are Fun is available. So if that's the domain name you would want, then you would click on Add. And it's added to your list of domain names you want. You can always go back to domain names and try some more domain names. But let's say this is the domain name you're going to buy. Then you would continue to checkout. Now, when you do this, they offer you a bunch of other items that you don't need. Just say no thanks, and it will take you to checkout. Now, when you get here, they try to get you to take as many years as possible. So click on the down arrow and just click 1 year, and it will update your cart, and then you would proceed to checkout. Now, I did share a link on Soul Sisters that offered GoDaddy domain names for $1.99 for a year. It's usually $12.99 for a year. I noticed ebates.com also, if you go to them, they will have specials on domain names. And you just go to ebates.com and type in GoDaddy, and it will give you some options for lower price domain names. I think I've seen it on there for $5.99 through Ebates. So there are some other options to get your domain names with GoDaddy at lower prices. So this is how you register a domain name with GoDaddy. Now, if we go a little further, let's say you want to redirect your domain name or forward your domain name. I'm going to go here to websites since I'm logged into my account, or I'm going to go to my account. Here's my account. Visit my account. This is what you do once you have your account set up. And this pops up. Close that. And now you're going to see domains. You would click on domains, and these are different domains I have. So let's say Trendsetter Boots, that's another one I have. And I'm going to, when you see your domain name up here, you want to go to launch. You'll click on launch. Wait for it to come up. Now, when you click on launch, this page comes up. You're going to go click on forwarding, and you'll see your domain name. And this is the one here's what I have forwarded, my lindamooreboots.com page. But you would click on manage. You're not going to see that because you don't have a domain forwarded yet. So I would click on manage. and then you see mine is forwarded to this address, but you want to update forwarding. Click on that, and this gives you the box to put the address you want to forward your domain name to. So you'd want to go to your back office in Linda Moore Boots and go down to the bottom, and there's a link for this, your Linda Moore Boots main page that has your name in it. And that's the link you'd want to use. You want to copy that and bring it over here. And when you paste it in, it's already going to have the HTTP in it here. So when you paste it in here, you want to take that HTTP out because it's going to be right here. If you leave it in there, the link isn't going to work. So when you go here, you just scroll back arrow until you get to the HTTP and remove it. And then you're going to click permanent, and you're going to forward only. I have found you can forward it with masking, but when you mask it, sometimes the links don't work, and then you don't get credit when somebody orders from your website. So just forward only. I haven't checked it out to see if our Linda Moore Boots works with masking. When you mask it, they never do see this in the web address when they click on your domain name. So it would always show your domain name. So it always say Trendsetter Boots up there if I masked it. And when you mask it, you have to put in keywords and a few other things. Let's say if I say I want to mask this, it's going to have me put in a title, a description, and keywords in order to mask it. But if I just go back and forward only, I don't have to do those things. So once you forward it, you're going to click, it's probably going to say save or edit. You'll click edit and that will set it, but I think it'll say save. I'm just going to say cancel because I'm not going to change this. I've already got it forwarded right here to where I want it. So that's how you forward a domain. And again, it brings me back to this when I canceled, and I'm going to cancel back out again, and it takes me back to this page. So that's how you forward a domain name. That's how video showing you how to register and how to forward a domain name. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye-bye.